Another one which was confusing, I think, there for Signal. What an angle by Myla Pablo.
Pero hindi natin masyadong nakikita na binibigyan niya yung kanyang front row dahil nagko-combination play siya but binabato niya sa back row kay Vanny. Talagang nakakaputol siya ng momentum ng kalaban.
What a dig there by Chang off a 1-2 play. Gel. The push and a chance to counter again. They go back to Myla. Shoot set. Gel opens up to Gandler. Dacron sweeping. Myla again. She gets it again.
Yep.
7-6. They take over the lead.
Na ganyan na nakaharap siya sa cross court but targeting niya yung down the line. Pag may nakita lang siya na gap na doon kahit gano'ng kaliit or gano'ng kaliit.
Minsan nakikita mo rin sa kanya pagka parang nasistress siya eh.
Yeah, pero medyo relax lang siya maglaro. Hindi natin siya madalas nakikita mag-smile.
Yes.
But nakikita natin sa laro niya na lalo.
But she's looking good this conference.
Yeah, so far.
And they continue to go to her.
Oh.
That's why. To her, it's about 1 health and 2 confidence. Vanny in the middle.
What a save!
Piatura with the left hand. And Pablo scores!
Down the line angle on the hit by Myla Pablo.
Look at that. Keeping it in play. Pablo, full approach. Crossbody swing.
Yeah. Angels there on who will get that first ball.
Brooke with the first ball. Perfect first ball. And a very forceful dump ball by Myla Pablo for her 11th point of the match. 0.6.
And wala pa tayo sa kalagitnaan ng second set.
At kung maganda, kung makahabol ka. Pero kung hindi man, mailaban mo pa rin, ano?
As long as they won't stop.
Barbon is back. Pablo humiga!
Ang ganda ng approach ni Ren. At a low and fast set to Myla Pablo, leaving only one blocker in front of her. Knowing Myla Pablo, ididiin na niya yun sa cross court.
Conference, they reinforced where half of their squad was sick, remember?
Yeah.
In the early part of that conference, which really affected their team standings and their play towards the end.
But so far in this conference, ang ganda ng pinapakita ng Petrogas Angels. Medyo nag-init na sila inside the court. Tuloy-tuloy na silang magandang laro pinapakita.
And individually, magandang pinapalaro. Gandler goes long. Isa with a tip. Don was there for coverage again. Cess off speed.
Good read by Pontillas.
Good footy. Sent back by Gandler. Pablo again. And that will go in. Oh, what a sequence. Everything clicking. Even the feet.